I just finished doing a video request that one of the subscribers requested to do. I haven't even eaten it and I'm saying that it's sweet. I haven't even eaten it and I'm saying that it's sweet. That's what that means. Try! Now that I have eaten it, it has sweetened me. Now, I have eaten it. There's two different things. Eta is like chewing. You can also say it means that you have eaten it. Ntaraya can also mean you have eaten it. Okay? Ntaraya, almost the same thing. Ntara is like chewing something. Like I'm chewing it. Ndiria is like, eating fufu and jollof rice and stuff like that. But the cookie the cookie is sweet. Or the oto. Try it! Mini agobom. Check. Mini agobom. It means, oh, I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty for water. Now, let us go to what we're gonna what I want to actually teach you guys. I wrote all this thing down. And for some of you who say things like this, can you write all these things out? Do you see how long? I can hold us to take him IGBO video in there. You want me to go and start sitting down? And I have a lot of things to do. I have a full-time job and then I have a part-time job. So please just manage this thing I'm doing. It's not easy. Just manage it. Okay, alright. Animal. What I will be teaching you guys today is animal names. What I will be teaching you guys today is animal. Name of animals. This water is sweet. This water is sweet. If you want to say water that is in the bottle, this water that is in the bottle is sweet. Anyway, let's get started. Animals. Ewu. Let me teach you how to pronounce this thing right. Ewu. If I want to insult you, I'll be like, Ewu. That means you're a goat. Ewu is a goat. Okay? Okay means rat. How do you say it? Okay, rat. Squirrel. Squirrels. Osa. Say it. Osa. That's squirrels. Squirrel. If you see a squirrel, you want to call it in Igbo. Malosa. Mom, look at squirrel. Malosa. Osa. Okay. Dog. Dog are called nkita. Dog. Nkitara means a crazy dog. Nkitara. Okay. Let me see here. Atulu means a sheep. Now, I want you guys to pay more attention to the pronunciation in Igbo. Atulu. Okay? That means sheep. Alright. I'm so tired right now. Ezi. If someone tells Igbo Ezi, that means you're a pig. Ezi. Igbo Ezi. Ezi means pig, okay? Odum means a lion, okay? Odum is a lion. Odum, lion. Tiger. For tiger, it's called Agu. If someone calls you Agu, man, you are Agu. You are a tiger. You are a tiger. Agu, tiger. Okay. Agu means snake. Ngwene, lizard. Ngwene, lizard. Owl is a frog. Owl, frog. Azu, that's fish. You go to the market and you want to buy fish, so you will say something like this. Auntie chorizo azu. Auntie, I want to buy fish. Auntie chorizo azu. Auntie, I want to buy fish. Azu. No. Pronunciation is the key here. No. Is a bird. If you want to say, look at this bird, you say something like this. Look at this bird. Chicken. Chicken is called okuko. That's chicken. Okoko. And then there's turkey. Turkey is tolo. toro toro, toro toro, toro toro, toro toro, toro toro. Turtles are called mbe. Mbe. A deer. You know what a deer is, right? Deers, you know, look like reindeers. Reindeers? Christmas time? Reindeers? Santa Claus and the reindeer? Yeah. We call them ele. 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 That's deer. Anyway, I just go with this one. Okpara. Okpara. Okpana. Okpara. Okpara means grasshopper. Okpara. Grasshopper. Okay, guys, I'm tired. I want to go and rest. So, that's it for now. If you have anything specific that you want to learn, or you want to learn how to pronounce properly in Igbo, just go there to my Facebook page. It's called Igbo Matrix. The link is gonna be down below. You go there, you write everything that you know you are trying to learn in Igbo.